Affiliate management versus partner tracking platforms. Which one is better for channel growth? If you're looking to scale your business through partners, you might wonder, should I focus on affiliate management or partner tracking platforms? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the distinction matters. Affiliate management platforms are designed to recruit, manage, and incentivize affiliates who promote your product. These tools track clicks, leads, and sales generated by each affiliate, calculate commissions, and often provide creatives for promotion. For example, an e-commerce brand can track how much revenue a blog affiliate generates in real time and automatically pay them based on performance. Partner tracking platforms, on the other hand, are broader. They help manage the performance, engagement, and pipeline of strategic business partners. This includes co-marketing efforts, joint sales deals, and referral programs. A SaaS company might use a partner tracking platform to monitor which VARs or reseller are closing deals, collaborating on campaigns, or hitting revenue targets. Here's the surprising truth. Affiliate management focuses on volume and direct performance metrics, while partner tracking emphasizes long-term relationship management and strategic growth. One measures immediate ROI, the other nurtures sustainable partnerships. So which one is better for channel growth? If your goal is to scale rapidly through many smaller affiliates, affiliate management platforms provide the automation and analytics you need. If you're looking to build deeper, strategic partnerships with resellers, technology partners, or co-marketing allies, partner tracking platforms give you the oversight and insights to grow intelligently. Many top-performing companies combine both approaches. Use affiliate management to drive acquisition at scale and partner tracking to maximize the value of high-impact, long-term relationships. Together, they create a balanced ecosystem that fuels sustainable channel growth.